Alright, what is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another 4-Minute Friday. 4-Minute Friday. So I want to talk to you guys about what's been going on. Let me pull up this page here. About what's been going on, what I've been doing, what I've been, up to. Because I know it's been a while since I've really put out a video. I put up one a little while ago, but I had a long period there where I just wasn't uploading anything. So to explain that, what has been going on was I actually... it was the holidays, and I just had a lot of family in town, so I wanted to spend time with them. A lot of people that I haven't seen in a while, so I wanted to spend time with them and do things with that, so I'm happy that I did that. And the purpose of this video is to announce the winner of my giveaway that I was doing. It was my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Thank you guys so much for all the love, dedication, likes, comments, everything you guys have done on my video. Thank you guys so much for all of that. So, two things. One, the winner of the giveaway, and two, I want to talk about, kind of what I want to do with this channel in the upcoming year, 2018. It's going to be a big year for me. I know it's going to be. Super excited about it. I'm going to do a whole bunch of stuff. There's a lot of stuff that I want to do on the channel specifically. So one thing that I want to do is I want to do a lot more kayak fishing. I did get a kayak. I got paddles for Christmas. I got an anchor for Christmas. I got all kinds of stuff for Christmas that I'm really excited about. Hopefully we'll be able to do that. We'll be able to get into that a lot more. And... do that. I don't really know where I'm going to go kayak fishing. I'm probably going to keep it pretty local to begin with, and keep that in mind so I can kind of figure things out and do stuff. I know I'm not looking at the camera. That's because I'm just thinking. But I gotta get better about doing that. I don't look at the camera when I talk to you guys. I look somewhere else. Anyways, so the winner of the giveaway was my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I was giving away 3 or 4 things. I can't remember exactly what I was giving away. If you guys commented on the video, then you know what I'm talking about. You know that you're watching this. So the winner of the giveaway I have pulled up here is Eric Cox. He said, "My favorite Christmas gift was my Abu Garcia Pro Max combo, but I need a deeper. Just saying." Well, if you need a deeper, you guys know where to get them. You guys know I love deeper, especially around the waters in Florida, just because it's a great area. It's a great place to have one, especially with all the waterways that we have. It's very murky. It's very deep. I actually went out to the Hidden Lake with my brother. I don't know if I'm going to put that video out. I might. We didn't really catch anything, but I threw the deeper out a bunch, and I found that the area of the Hidden Lake, like the underwater, flow and whatnot, has changed dramatically since Hurricane Irma. I mean, it's literally like 3 feet more shallow in some areas and deeper in other. The complete topographic, like the complete underwater geography, whatever you want to call it, has completely changed. So I have to go out there. I have to make new bathymetric maps using the deeper, my Deeper Pro Plus. You can make onshore maps I can use with my kayak. So that's one of the things that I'm going to be doing. Another thing that I want to get into this year is bow fishing. I have a bow. I've had a bow for a little while now. I've got to get it tuned up, get some arrows. Not my recurve. I bought a compound bow. So pretty excited about that. But so yeah, I got that, I got the deeper, I got stuff. I've been trying to do a lot more saltwater fishing now that I've kind of had more time on my hands and whatnot, especially on the weekends. My girlfriend and I, we've been going out to do more saltwater fishing. We're going to go out to do new areas. Might be trying to do some shark fishing here. I don't really know. Right now I'm just trying to get through the winter months. The fishing this time of year has been insane. The fishing, I haven't even tried to go in the past like 2 or 3 weeks because the temperature has been ranging from 80 degrees to 30 degrees in the middle of the day. This is insane. Like a couple days ago, I think it was 30, it was either 30 or 29 degrees, but it felt like 20, which is crazy for down south. I know a lot of my northern people are saying, oh, whatever, that's not that bad, but whatever. And now it's supposed to be 70 on Monday, so I'm sure the bass are going, what in the world is going on? I don't know that much about temperatures fluctuating that heavy when it comes to bass fishing or fishing in general, so I'm going to be trying to do that. I'm going to try to get more into pan fishing and just other types of fishing that I haven't really done this year, as well as fly fishing. So keep an eye out for that, you guys. Thank you guys so much for supporting me this past year, and I look forward to an amazing 2018 with you guys. As always, fish on.